What's up guys, now that winter is finally over, I'm able to make this video and also share with you my experience with driving and living with this car in the winter. I want to start off by saying that range is affected in a big way. Not only because you have to run the HV heater, but also the temperature outside is way lower. If previously in November I would get 400, maybe 420 kilometers on the gasometer, now you will not be able to see more than, let's say, 300, maybe 320 if you drive carefully. But you have to stop and you need a 50 kilometers buffer, so 250 to 70 kilometers will be the actual range and the actual driving distance. Another thing is your HV heater will be in very big danger because you will have to use it not only to preheat the cabin but also to keep the inside temperatures on your long drives. If you are aware of the history of my particular car, the HV heater was already replaced. Of course, I had the H10 variant. Now with the updated version of H11, they should be fixed the problem and replaced the faulty material that was used, and it should be bulletproof. At least this is what I hope they've done. Otherwise, I will have to replace it one more time. In recent news, Porsche is already aware of the situation and they have a really hard time, not only because of the HV heater but also because the 12-volt battery is on a shortage period even in today's market.
Watch out, crash reported ahead.
I will highly suggest you rock the 20 or 19 inch wheels, not only because you'll get higher range but also because winter tires are a lot cheaper, and in the winter you don't really need the aesthetics, you don't really need the driving performance. And if you know, if you use narrower tires, you will get actually a better performance in the wet and winter conditions. Particular to this car is the fact that if you rock the 20 or 19 inch wheels, you will get a way softer steering feeling. And in the winter, I don't really drive that sporty and I want to have the most comfortable experience behind the steering wheel. And the fact that the wheel in the front is narrower at 245, I think, that would mean that the steering rack will have less stress on it. Yes, you can have a lot of fun times if you turn the stability control off, but I don't recommend that if you are not in a closed area, because this car drifts even on clean tarmac. The braking performance depends almost exclusively to the tire that you use. I'm on Continental Conti Sport TS 850P, and I want to say that the tires are pretty decent. The grip is amazing for the kind of driving that I'm doing. I'm not really driving that hard, to be honest with you. The braking performance is okay, and the price is amazing for the kind of tires that they are. They are not worn in any way, and I have more than, I think, 5,000 kilometers on them, so that's a really good tire in my opinion. Of course, you should get a better performance tire if you want better performance on braking and also grip wise, but I will not suggest spending that much money on tires that you will not be actually using. And now the big question, should you drive this car in the winter? Should you keep it in the garage? I would say not. Straight off, you have to drive this car. if the tarmac is clean, you will not have any single problem. And if you want to have a bit of fun in some parking lots, you can have it right away. This car should shine in these conditions. I'm really pleased with the experience. I would say that I recommend the car, and if you enjoyed and if you find this video informative in any way, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Ciao!